We're really excited to host a talk from Neurofied by Beirem and Barrah. He's going to tell us a little bit more about the complex things that our brains are.
Everything in business is about people, right? So it all comes down to communication, right? To how you motivate people, to how you negotiate with people, how you empathize with them. And when you follow that logic, when you understand that it's in essence all about people, then it's about behavioral change. So we truly try to understand who is your client or who are the people that you're working with. And when you really understand how they think and what their primary drivers are, then it becomes very logical what the right strategy is. There's actually over 200 cognitive biases. So cognitive biases in essence are shortcuts that our brains take. So our brains, they consume a ridiculous amount of energy, and we're doing everything we can to simplify it, to make sure that we can do more with less energy. So in the end, life is all about decisions. What we're trying to do is figure out how people think, how we decide, how we make decisions, and then how we act. We believe that great strategies are built on a psychological insight. In marketing, the most important thing is making sure that you truly understand your target audience. Because if you're basing your complete strategy and all your creative work on a wrong assumption of what your audience likes, then the whole campaign is busted. So what we're trying to do is add some psychological insights. We call this advanced customer insight, and it's mostly about figuring out who exactly your target audience is.